What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Phoenix Crow from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his beak, so I'm gonna draw a line outwards and then I'm gonna make a turn, a semicircle turn down to the tip of the beak right there, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the left, and then I'm going back to where we begin and make a semicircle line right there and down to the lower left corner, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the right, an extended line sideways and turn it upwards as you reach the tip of the beak. Now on the top left inside, I'm gonna draw a short line there, and then I'm gonna make a turn outwards on the top points and the lower point right here, and then at that both ends I'm gonna draw a sharp turn back in and trace the same line. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at this corner, and then I'm gonna extend this one, the lower side, to the back and up, and then I'm gonna make a turn slightly downwards and then back up all the way to the tip of the eyebrow right there, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the right and above the eyebrow right there, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at this corner here and connect that with that line. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this corner, and then I'm gonna draw a circular line, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower left corner of the eye right there, and then I'm gonna continue that on this side. And at that corner, I'm gonna add an upside down triangular shape right there. And I'm gonna thicken slightly the outline of the eye. And for his pupil, I'm gonna add an oval at the top left corner of the eye here, and then going back to the front of the face, I'm gonna take a point above the beak here and draw a curved line up, and then turn it to the back. With the curved line, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up to the tips behind his head. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back down to the back, and we'll continue that below the eyebrow And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back out and back in, and then I'm gonna turn downwards with a curved line all the way to his collar. And then at this corner I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and extend it to the front, right at the side of his beak. And then I'm gonna make a turn down with a curved line, and I'm gonna extend it all the way to the bottom of his shirt. So at this point I'm gonna make a turn back to the left and stop right there for the time being. So going back to the left corner of his shirt, I'm gonna trace the outline here and I extend it down. And then for his sleeves, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line out and then turn it slightly downwards at the corner right there. And then I'm gonna draw his arms with a curved line out. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn out and then back down to the wrist. And then going back up, I'm gonna draw a curved line at these sleeves here to the inner line of the arm, and I'm gonna draw a line outwards similar to the outer line of the arm. And then I'm gonna make a turn and make another curved line down from the elbow point to the wrist. And then I'm gonna draw his thumb with a curved line down, and then with a semicircle tip going back up and a sharp turn back down for the other fingers and a semicircle turn back up. And I'm gonna copy the shape of the fingers for the rest across, and at the corner here I'm gonna extend the line back to the side of the wrist. Now at this corner below the arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to the thumb, and in the center of his shirt I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at the center corner right here and end it at the bottom part. And along that shape I'm gonna draw across a short lines across. Now on his right side below the beak, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line out and make a few strands of feather and a curved line below that. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of the collar on this side as well, and I'm gonna draw a line out and up, and then I'm gonna make a turn to the left and a rectangular shape at the corner along this line and lines across along that portion right there. Around his waist here I'm going to draw across a line and another line below that, and then in the middle I'm going to add a line down and another one there for the buckle. Now for his legs, I'm gonna draw a line down on the left side there and a line across in the middle of the pants, and at this point I'm gonna draw a line down, and then I'm gonna make another curved line at the side and a curved line diagonally to the center below that. And on both sides I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a diagonal curved line up to the center from that point on the sides, and in the middle and at the bottom I'm gonna draw across a curved line and a short line on both sides again, and another curved line below that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And we're gonna draw his right arm with a curved line at the corner, and then I'm gonna draw a line down, a similar shape mirrored on the right side. And going back to his jacket, I'm gonna add a circular shape at this corner and his eyebrow on the right with a curved line out, and then I'm gonna make a turn up with a semicircle line, and to the back similar to the left eyebrow. And we're gonna just copy the same shape across, and on his cheek I'm gonna add some curved line to the left, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the right, and from the same point I'm gonna draw another curved line below that all the way to the side of his beak. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.